Alright guys, we just walked in on a 90% Arco Air here, and first thing I see, a little troubling, you know, is the way they vented it. Look at this. They're using thermostat wire tied to the the water lines here. Look at this mess. Alright guys, I'll recommend changing this a little bit, but you know, we'll just go by what they say. But yeah, they just ran thermostat wire all the way through it, all the way on the water line here. Unbelievable. And now they've got, looks like coat hangers hanging it up. And it looks like the drywall is holding it there, and then the penetration's holding it going out. But you can't do that, guys. Come on. Surprised it's not sagging. Alright guys, let me get into this thing and we'll do our safety check.